I'm on my bed.
You want to go run? Hold on. Do you want to open up? Do you want to open up the box from Grandma and Papa? Do you want to go open the box?
Open the box. With paper. What's that? Taking off the papers. Open up. Food. What is it, you? Food.
Well, let's open it. Let's keep opening it.
Keep opening.
Paper.
That's crazy.
That's what the box says.
Open this.
Yeah, let's see if we can. Do you think you can get it open?
Oh, what's up? There's not rain. Boys, a train. No train. No train. It's not. Pull back. I pull back it.
Okay, Claire, back up. Okay, let's go this way.
She sit down. Please sit down.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay. Box. Ooh. Man.
Did you pop it? I think you got
See
it.
if there's any more in the box.
In the box. In the box. And then more in the box. Hey! More in the box. Ooh. It's my food in the... See that? Ooh. Like that. It's got me down. You got me.
Let's see what else is
What else
there.
is in the box?
Ah! Whoa! I got sauce. Out there. Whoa! Paper. Ugh. God. It's Grandma's toys. Crackers. One dog, please.
Be tight.
Penguins.
Claire, back up.
Birdies.
That's so cute. It's a birdie. You're right.
What's that? Fire truck. Whoa. That's cool. Whoa. Fire trucks. No, the fire trucks. The wrap up. Up here. Hey, you bro. This is this is
Claire, leave it on.
what is this? What is this?
I don't know what else is in there. Can you undo them?
I'm not undoing.
Here, can you unwrap them? Look, they're just taped.
This is tape. Sorry. Oh, what is this? That's a ski truck. Whoa! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Main box.
What's in here?
Fire truck. What's in here, Molly? What's in
I
here?
don't know. Let's open it.
Let's open it. Oh, this is the people.
Yeah.
This is the people. Made the train. Leave the train and wrap up. People. What we.
What is it?
What we.
Where's the fire truck go?
The garage. The garage. I need the garage. I need the garage. Grandma, Papa, give me this. Fire trucks. Yeah. Jude, look in the box.
That's not for you to sit on.
Jude, look in the box. There's something else, I think. Cookies. Why are they giving me this? So, like birthday or something? Sweet. Fireman, drive them. Well, this is the funnest. Whoa, sun's falling off. What the hose in the fireman?
Yay!
Jude, what do you say to Grandma and Papa?
Thank you.
Thank you, Grandma, Papa.